Ever pondered over the top dominating 200cc bikes in Nepal? The ones that rule the roads and hearts alike? Well, let's dive into the world of these mechanical beasts, the power-packed two-wheelers that have been ruling the streets. We'll be exploring the Bajaj Pulsar NS 200, TVS Apache RTR 200, KTM Duke 200, and the Hero Xpulse 204V, four of the most sought-after bikes in the market today. So stay tuned as we unravel the best of the best in the 200cc category. Kicking off our list is the Bajaj Pulsar NS 200 BS6, a bike that has won many a heart in Nepal. This two-wheeled marvel is powered by a 200 cubic centimeter single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine that churns out a robust 24.5 brake horsepower and 18.5 Newton-meters of torque. With its 6-speed transmission, the Bajaj Pulsar NS 200 BS6 ensures a smooth and crisp ride, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on highways. But it's not just about power. This bike also comes with a host of features that enhance the overall riding experience. The digital analog instrument cluster, for instance, provides all essential information at a glance, while the halogen headlamp offers excellent visibility even in low-light conditions. The bike's sporty design, complete with a muscular fuel tank and sharp lines, makes it a head-turner on the road. And when it comes to safety, the Pulsar NS 200 doesn't disappoint, offering a single-channel anti-lock braking system for added control and stability. Now, let's talk price. The Bajaj Pulsar NS 200 BS6 comes with a price tag that offers great value for money, making it an affordable choice for those seeking a blend of performance and style. With its impressive features and price point, it's no surprise that the Bajaj Pulsar NS 200 BS6 is a favorite among many. Next up, we have the TVS Apache RTR 204 VBS6, a bike that promises power and performance. Delving into the world of 200 cubic centimeters, the TVS Apache RTR 204 VBS6 is a true spectacle. It's powered by a single-cylinder, oil-cooled 4-stroke engine that churns out an impressive 20.2 brake horsepower and 16.8 Newton-meters of torque. This bike is all about delivering raw power, and it does so with a punch. Equipped with a 5-speed gearbox, the Apache RTR 204 VBS6 ensures a smooth and responsive ride. Its advanced braking system, coupled with the dual-channel anti-lock braking system, offers superior control even at high speeds, making it a safe bet for adrenaline junkies. Now let's talk about the features that set this bike apart. The Apache RTR 204 VBS6 comes with a fully digital speedometer, a trip meter, and an odometer. But what truly steals the show is the Smart Zonec technology, a first in its segment. This feature allows you to connect your smartphone to the bike, providing a host of information right at your fingertips. As for the price, the TVS Apache RTR 204 VBS6 is a value-for-money proposition, considering the power, performance, and features it offers. It's priced competitively, making it a popular choice among bike enthusiasts. The TVS Apache RTR 204 VBS6, a bike that delivers on its promises and more. Moving on to the KTM Duke 200 BS6, a bike that screams adventure and thrill. This machine is a perfect blend of style and performance, making it a top choice for bike enthusiasts. Boasting a single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine, it delivers a power of 25.8 horsepower and a torque of 19.2 Newton-meters. The Duke 200 BS6 is equipped with a 6-speed transmission that ensures smooth and swift gear changes, enhancing the riding experience. Now let's talk about its standout features. The bike comes with an advanced open cartridge upside-down front fork and a monoshock rear suspension. These provide excellent stability and comfort, even on the roughest terrains. It also features a digital instrument console that displays all the necessary information, including speed, fuel level, and gear position at a glance. One of the key highlights of the Duke 200 BS6 is its striking design, a sharp, aggressive look that's guaranteed to turn heads. This bike is available in two vibrant colors, electronic orange and ceramic white. In terms of pricing, the Duke 200 BS6 is on the higher side compared to its competitors. However, considering its exceptional quality, advanced features, and exhilarating performance, it is worth every penny. So if you're seeking an adrenaline rush on two wheels, look no further. The KTM Duke 200 BS6, a thrilling ride that never disappoints. Last but not least, we have the Hero Xpulse 204V, a bike that is all about comfort and convenience. Brace yourself for a ride that's packed with power and poise. The Hero Xpulse 204V is the embodiment of a sturdy, reliable, and dynamic machine. Under the hood, it's powered by a 200 cubic centimeter single-cylinder four-stroke engine. The bike delivers an impressive maximum power of 18.1 brake horsepower and a peak torque of 16.15 Newton-meters. The Hero Xpulse also boasts of a 5-speed transmission, providing smooth and swift gear shifts for a comfortable riding experience. It's a bike that's built for all terrains thanks to its high ground clearance and long travel suspension. When it comes to features, the Xpulse doesn't disappoint. With its fully digital speedometer, trip meter, and LED headlamp and tail lamp, it's a bike that's as modern as it is stylish. Plus, its single-channel ABS ensures you're always in control, no matter what the road conditions are. And the best part? All this comes at an incredibly affordable price. The Hero Xpulse 204V is priced competitively, making it a great choice for those who want a high-performance bike without breaking the bank. The Hero Xpulse 204V, a bike that combines comfort with performance. So there you have it, the top-selling 200cc bikes in Nepal. We've explored the power-packed Bajaj Pulsar NS 200 BS6, the robust TVS Apache RTR 204V BS6, the sporty KTM Duke 200 BS6, and the adventurous Hero Xpulse 204V. Each of these bikes has its unique features and offerings that make them a top choice among riders. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Do you own any of these bikes or have ridden them before? Share your experiences in the comments. Until next time, ride safe.